Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a sashimi dinner plate. We'll be plating our assorted sashimi on top of some shredded daikon mounds with shiso leaves. And we'll be using today for our main ingredients, as always, we have our maguro, hamachi, and sake. And then we have our chef's choice slash best catch of the day. We have amaebi, which is spot prawn. We have some taco, octopus, some vinegared mackerel, or saba, and we have some tamago, which is our Japanese style sweet egg omelet. And we have some albacore, ikura, or salmon roe, and some tsubugai, which is whelk. And here's our completed sashimi dinner plate. And we've got, as you can see, we have plated the fish on top of the piles of shredded daikon and gives it a little more height. It has a nice, more of a three-dimensional look. And then we've garnished with some lemon slices and some karore daikon. And as well as when we're plating the sashimi, we like to mix and match the colors. We don't have all one color on one side, or lighter meat, darker meat, and mix and match them so it's balanced and it's more visually pleasing this way.